Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically all you have to do is go to your Monopoly Go, and tokens are available at some events, sets, and albums. So such as the Wildlife Tales, it offers the Leo Lion for completing the album and Bubbles for completing the Poppy Party set. So that was the last season. So now, as you can see, you will get your hammer here in the season in Epic Mythic Myths here in the new season. So you have 85 days left as of now as we're speaking, and you will get a free token right there. So basically there's also tokens in other places such as inviting friends. So all you have to do is go to your friends and invite, and as you can see there, you can also get a free token by just inviting 10 people, and you'll get free dice on the way as you do that. So those are just the few things you can do to get free tokens here on Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching this video.